Hi everyone, today I'm wearing a new hat made with our mohair so soft. So mohair so soft is very soft and warm and very light. So our mohair so soft is very chunky, so you don't have to mix with other yarn. You just use one strand of mohair so soft. You're gonna need 2 balls of mohair so soft to make one of these hats. This used Bobble Stitch. If you don't know, we have a video tutorial you can learn from. So this have a very cute, like almost a flower bud like stitch. I think it's very cute instead of regular beanie. So I have many different colors. This is easy because it only needs 2 balls, but it's very warm. This is our new color. It's called First Love, and we also have a new color called, what is it? Allure. This is very pretty too. It's a seafoam green, pastel green, and I have, this is what color is this?
London Fog.
London Fog. This is the silver gray. I think this is very pretty neutral color. I always like this natural colors too. This is so cute and it's so warm and so soft. I want you to feel it. But look how cute this pastel purple lilac. This is and its stitch is pretty simple. If you want to learn Bobble Stitch, check out our video tutorial. Look how cute. And I hope you like it. You can never have too many hats for winter.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.